Welcome to beauty school. This is Stylist John. I'm a licensed barber, stylist, and educator and braider. I specialize in natural hair. I love working with natural hair. I love working with texture, and I love doing men's and women's hair cutting, chemical services, color, and I love making art, editorial hairstyles and makeup for music videos, for photo shoots, for creative art gallery presentations, and Fortune 500 brand picture design to help the company expand their brand. Okay, I want to work with all Fortune 500 companies and help expand your brand with hair, makeup, photo shoot, and a design by myself. Okay, why I got into education. I love learning. When I was going through school, I always had good grades. I kept a 3.5 GPA all the way up into college. I've been to college probably about 4 times. I got an associate's degree in mass communications. I have an associate's degree in audio engineering, production and management. I have a certificate of culinary arts. I have a cosmetology license, a crossover into barbering, and I'm working on my education. I love to teach. I've been teaching probably since I was probably about like 5-6 years old, teaching my friends how to do different things that I learned. I've always been teaching people how to do different things because number one, I'm a trailblazer in my family. I am the black sheep. I had to go through a lot of things that my siblings didn't have to go through, and I was put in situations that a lot of my family members didn't know how to handle or didn't want to do. In my immediate family, I don't have any family members that want to open up their own business. I was the first one. In my immediate family, I was the first one to work on my own production company. In my immediate family, I'm the one that's gifted with music and art. And the strength that I have. I was the team captain of my basketball team, the team captain of the football team, and the team captain of the swim team, because I love working with teams, and I love helping people to better themselves. I myself got into education to better myself, because when you teach somebody something, it makes you exercise and perform a little harder with what you're working on. So as I learned something, I figured the fastest way for me to learn something is to teach somebody how to do it. So now, not only am I retaining the information, but I'm also giving the information, and I'm also helping somebody else retain the information. So I teach so that I may learn, and I learn so that I may teach. That's my why. My grandmother was a hairstylist. She was not licensed. She was a kitchen stylist. She was the root of my family. She passed away in her 80s, and she did everybody's hair in my family. My mama, my brother, my uncles, my aunties, myself, everybody's hair in the kitchen. She was a kitchen stylist, and she had a Marcel iron. She used to cook food in the kitchen. She never did hair at the same time she cooked food. It was one or the other. And she was really good with pressing hair. She was really good with pressing curls. And she was really good with doing relaxers. And I learned a lot from helping her with her roller sets, and asked her questions all day about why she puts on makeup, because she had a very nice light skin complexion, but it was different shades. So she had to use makeup compact in order to put it on her face to make her skin balance out and match. Today it'll be a highlight and contour. Back then she had a makeup compact she kept with her. She would always do her face before she stepped outside. I remember several times I used to ask her about rolling her hair. I used to ask her why she had a bonnet on, and ask a bunch of questions, and she explained everything to me. And by the time she explained everything to her, I started trying to help her do her roller sets when I was a toddler. Just being with my grandma, loving on my grandma feeling good about me being around, and her loving on me is really what got me into doing hair. When my grandma passed away, I felt like I inherited a gift from her. I actually felt her spirit leave me. When she passed away, I felt the cold chill, but at that time I felt the cold chill. I felt like there was an impartation or something, and I felt like she was with me all the time. Your ancestors never leave you. They're always with you. And so I felt like my grandmother, who was my greatest inspiration for doing hair, along with my mother, because I helped my mother right along with my grandmother, inspired me to do hair. So I'm teaching because of the legacy of the the matriarchs in my family, my grandmother, my mother, my aunties, and my cousins, my female cousins, and my uncles, paved the way for me to do what I'm doing right now. So I'm lighting the torch, and I'm walking where no one has ever been, and I'm lighting the way for those that's looking at me behind me. And when I get to a certain point, I'm gonna hold the torch out, I'm gonna pass the torch, and I'm gonna keep mine lit, keep walking, and I'm gonna help other people light their torch. So I want to light your torch. I want to light your fire. I want to help you be on fire for what it is you love to do, because I am passionate about doing hair every single day. Every day I wake up, I think of a hairstyle. Every day I wake up, I think of a photo shoot. Every day I'm looking at different looks and looking at pictures and trying to figure out how to make a person look a certain way, because I want people to look and feel their best every single day. So that's the why about why I got into education. Okay, so if you have any questions, I am Stylist John. I am a natural hairstylist, a braider, a barber, and a global stylist, a global platform artist. I'm traveling the world doing hair, makeup, photo shoots, speaking at seminars, doing workshops, doing classes, creating my own products, educating people about the integrity of the hair, and helping people to maintain a healthy hair care.